another milestone of my wife's journey through life. It has been a exciting journey with you. 54 years ago. Hindi niyo siguro alam, mag-eskwela kami sa PCC High School dito, no? Nagkikwento lang kasi ito, maaano pa naman eh. Hanggang all tayo dito eh. Alam niyo ba na one occasion, siguro yung teacher namin walang prepared lesson. Nag-program ba naman? Sabi na, pagkantahan tayo dito, sabi ng teacher namin, si Mrs. Papila Bruno ba yun? Sabi niya, akala namin si Papila, mahilig sa kantahan yun eh. Sabi niya, sinong marunong kumanta? Ba? Everybody was pointing to Rosalinda in Chelsea. Kaya pala, yung mga tumutulong sa kanya, yung mga kasama nito sa group nila, yung Rosa Dales. There's a group ng Rosa Dales. Taken from their names, Rosa Dales, Rose ang tawag sa kanya na Rose. Hindi Lida eh, Rose. Yung Lida, para pangalan ng matanda. Yung Rose. Si Alice Dixon, si Dolores Misawa, yung mga first syllables ng name nila, yun ang ginawang pangalan ng grupo. Of course, yung kita, dahil Rosa Dales, una yung pangalan niya. So, lahat tinuturo siya. Ayaw, pati niyo pa si Linda, si Rose Mara. Yeah, ayaw pa kumanta eh, no? But eventually, she was persuaded to go in front and pinakanta siya. Alam niyo ba ang kinanta? Tanungin ko sa inyo, alam niyo ba kung sino favorite singer niya? Johnny Mathis. Kumanta siya ng Misty. And everybody was speechless. Naging silent yung room kasi hindi naman sa pag-iabang. Ang ganda ng boses nung araw. Nung araw. Nung hindi mo sila nanganak. And maganda talaga ang boses niya. May isa kumanta eh. And from that time on, every time I hear yung Misty, naalala ko siya. Kahit na nagkahiwalay kami, because when we graduated from high school, lumipat siya sa UE. Ako, I stayed in PCC. Mayroon lang kasi kami nun eh. Ang kala lang ng tatay ko yung PCC. Every time I hear Johnny Mathis sings yung Misty, naalala ko yung Rose. Hindi yung Rose of San Anton, ha? Rose of San Fernando, Pasay. Tapos, nagkaroon kami ng reunion. Nagkataong wala siyang partner. Alam niyo na, nagpresenta kami yung escort niya. Escort nung una. Doon nag-umpisa yung love affair namin. And tinutukso ko siya. Kinakanta ko siya ng Misty. Look at me. I'm a selfless. O, di ba, hindi ko alam, yung pagkanta ko pa lang yun, nagkaroon din siya ng gusto sa akin. So, parang yung Misty, yun ang parang team song namin. Yun ang team song namin. Kaya sabi nga nung anak kong Linda rin, bakit ang dami Linda sa buhay ko? Ito si I, ito si Y. Kasi yung Linda niya, Y. Sabi niya, pa, kantahin mo yung team song yun ni Mama. At kaso, Marilyn, hindi ko pwedeng kantahin ngayon yun kasi medyo namamaso ka. Nag-concert ako ng kagabi.
Buti na lang.
Yung concert, gano'n. Pero, hindi ko man kantahin yung Misty. Meron ako ininda para sa kanya, no? What can a man like me ask God for? Kasi I'm really blessed eh. Blessed ako eh. Because God gave me the greatest treasure. That treasure is Rosalinda. She's a very loving and devoted and faithful wife. Very diligent and hardworking mother. Very caring and nurturing and sometimes pampering grandmother. And what more can I ask? She gave me 5 beautiful, intelligent, and sabi nga ni Alice, successful children. They are successful in their own field of And they were, no? Kaya, ano pa ang hiling ko sa Diyos? God really blessed me. I don't know, siguro may nagawa akong mabuti nung araw, kaya siguro binless ako ni Lord. And I know that I'll cherish the treasure that God gave me till God blows the candle of my life. Siguro, kung darating yung panahon that God will blow the candles of our life, I would ask God to blow my candle first because Mama, I cannot live without you. Nung luminig ko pa ako kay Magaling na nun, hindi pa uso wala pa computer nung araw eh. Ewan ko kung yung iba sa inyo naka-experience sumulat ng love letter. Sumusulat pa ako ng love letter sa kanya. Sumusulat pa ako ng love letter sa kanya and I remember, ewan ko natatnan mo pa yun, Ma, na sinulatan kita lang sa'yo. Nagpapa-impress ako eh. Nagpapa-impress ako sa kanya, sabi ko, Rose, dear Rose, words are a means of expression. They may be, alam mo yun, no? They may be the truth, they may be lies, but the heart never lies. And it is with my heart in my mouth that I say, I love you. And I still feel the same way today. I love you, Mama. I cannot find another you. Ngayon, akala mo nakaligtas ka na, no? Kakantahan ko, akala mo.
Bilisan mo!
Hindi misty, hindi misty. Hindi misty kakantahin ko. Medyo hindi ko abot yung ano eh. Hindi nun eh. Okay? For my wonderful wife. Okay? I guess I'll never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's the wonder of you. Pakinggan niyo yung warnings daw, ha? Pakinggan yung warnings. Yung di alam yung kata, ha? When no one else can understand me, when everything I do is wrong, you give me love and consolation. You give me hope to carry on. And you try to show your love for me. In everything you do, that's the wonder of you. Hindi pa tapos. Okay na eh, okay.
Nangangalay na ako.
And when you smile, the world is brighter. You touch my hand, and I'm a king. Your kiss to me is worth a fortune. Your love for me is everything. And you're always there to lend a hand in all I try to do. That's the wonder of you. I guess I'll never know the reason why you love me as you do. That's the wonder of you.